Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to unpackage another coin from the Pressburg Mint. For those of you that haven't caught up on my last couple of videos, Pressburg Mint is a mint based in Slovakia, and they kindly sent me 6 ounces of silver to showcase on the channel. Now I decided to do them in separate videos, just because I wanted to go through each coin in a little bit more detail. So let's get straight to it. I've recently unpackaged this coin. It looks like a clock, and this one that says icon and also turns into the queen. Really cool coins. Put them to one side and we'll go for, we haven't done this one yet. Now, really cool coins, and they've all got limited mintages. Now, the bullion mintages are obviously higher than the proofs, but they're still capped at around about 100,000, which is nice to see a bullion piece that has a mintage cap, because most bullion pieces don't have any cap. For example, the Britannias from the Royal Mint, they just keep printing and printing. I say printing, minting and minting, I should say, the coins as people buy them. So it's nice that these actually have a limited supply. Wow, look at that. That's a nice piece. Right, let's just appreciate this coin. But yeah, as I was saying, it's nice to have bullion pieces that do have a limited mintage, because it just means that potentially they have more chance of increasing in value when they sell out. Because if people see other people with coins and they like the look of them, they go to the mint and they've already sold out, then they're forced to go to the second-hand market, and that is where you'll start to see the prices increase. So yeah, really nice pieces from, look at that, that's got like a 3D effect. Now this one says Magnum Opus. Now I haven't actually got my other phone to hand because it's run out of charge, so it's actually on charge at the moment, so I can't actually research this coin like I did with the others. But yeah, really nice looking coin. Let me know in the comment section if you know what Magnum Opus means, because I literally have no idea what that even means. But I really like the design on the coin. It's almost got this kind of 3D hologram effect here, and then it's got these patterns as well. 49's fine, as is all their pieces, it appears, from the Pressburg Mint. And then on the other side we've got that frosted finish. Nothing too spectacular, but nevertheless still a nice simple design, and it makes you appreciate the other side even more so. Let's just flip it back over there while I've got the focus on it. Really nice looking coin. And what I love about all the coins that I've unpackaged from this company so far is they've all got these designs where, depending on what angle you hold the coin, it gives off different effects. So yeah, really nice piece of silver. Let me know in the comments section what you think. I'll leave a link to the Pressburg Mint's website where you can pick one of these up if you're interested. So yeah, that's the, what is that? I would say we've got one more piece left, I believe. I think we've done 5 videos so far, and I think the piece that is left is a packaged proof one. So I've saved the best till last, if you like, because the first one I opened was similar to this. I think it's still in here, and that was a gorgeous coin. Let me just show you that one again. Actually, really nice presentation, and this is the one that had the Swarovski crystal actually engraved in the coin. You see in the center there, it's actually a Swarovski crystal. Now I wouldn't tend to go out my way to pick up one of these coins. I look at them as a bit more of a gimmick when you've got these crystals embedded in them. But it works really well. It's not overdone. It hasn't got loads of crystals all around it. It's just got one in the center, and I think because the actual silver coin has got so much going on, so many different patterns and designs, I think it works quite well. Yeah, really nice piece. So yeah, we've got one more piece left, which we will unpack one day this week, and then that will complete the 6 pieces from the Pressburg Mint. I believe, is it 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, what have I missed? Oh, there's another. There is another one in there. Right, I'm not going to look too much into that because I don't really want to look at them off camera. I want to go through them with you on camera. So we've actually got 2 more to do. We've got the one that's another bullion piece by the looks of it, and then we've got this proof piece. So we'll pop that back in there, and we'll leave these ones out for now. Now, I've also managed to go to one of my storage locations and get back out some of my silver. So you'll start to see over the next few days more silver on display, because I had to pack it all away into storage when I went on holiday. Now, this is my YouTube stack, if you like. I managed to pack it all away nicely in here. This is an addition to the YouTube stack, which arrived earlier today, and I will upload another video that shows you what that is very soon. If not, you might have already seen what that is, depending on which way round I upload these videos. But that's my YouTube stack there, so that will start to form the backdrop of this video, so you can see more silver. Now, I've also brought out this, which is very heavy. I'm not sure exactly how many ounces of silver in here, but I briefly showed this case on one of my other videos a while ago, and it's actually a watch case. It's made for watches, but it works really well for storing silver, and let me show you why. Not only has it got this nice see-through top, which is quite cool because you can look down and see what's in there, but also where the watches would usually go, there used to be kind of a foam here, which I've removed, and instead of putting watches in there, 1 ounce coins fit perfectly. So there's lots of stuff I've packed in on here, and obviously I'm not going to go through all this now because the video will just go on forever, but you can start to see that there's some really nice pieces here. Some of these pieces you would not have even seen on this channel before because I haven't showcased them. I got them before I started making videos. 10 ounce Una and the lion there, absolutely gorgeous piece. Shame about the packaging, shame that it's not in a proper kind of solid case. I could take it out, but yeah, I'm going to keep it sealed for now. Got a colorized piece there, ET bar. So yeah, some really cool pieces in here, and these aren't all the same coins, these are all different coins. Got some sealed Krugerrands, some limited edition, some 50th anniversary Krugerrands there. I'm just going to go through and show you a couple, because like I said, I do want to show you these in more detail in future videos. But you can see they're all different designs. Yeah, nice selection there. But yeah, we'll start to go through these in more detail. I'm going to leave this out of storage for the next couple of weeks or so, and then we'll just start working our way through. I'll maybe kind of show you a couple of coins per video, or let me know how you want to do it. Would you like me to show you 5 coins a video? Would you like me to kind of elongate it a little bit more and do 1 coin a video, make the videos shorter? How would you like to work through these different pieces of silver? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you'd like kind of sections done at a time in sort of 15-minute, 10-minute long videos, or maybe you'd like shorter videos, maybe 2-minute long videos where I just grab a coin out of here at random and we have a look at it. But yeah, some really nice, interesting coins to go through. Show you one more. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. Like I said, I'll leave a link to the Pressburg Mint in the description if you would like to purchase that coin. I haven't got an affiliation code or anything like that, so I don't make any money or anything like that if you buy from the Pressburg Mint. There's been a few people asking me if you can buy from them if you live in the US or live in the UK, and they actually ship worldwide. So the easiest thing to do is to go onto their site, add what you like to the basket, and then select what country you're from, and it will tell you how much the postage is. Or if you like a few items, maybe save up a little bit of money and buy them all in one go. That way you can combine the postage as well. So yeah, like I said, I don't actually make any money or anything like that when you buy from them. They literally sent me some coins to showcase on the channel. What have we got here? Kookaburra, I think you've seen that fairly recent. I'm going to show you a couple more, but then I'd like to save them for a further video. Look at that, a toned maple. We'll finish on that, I think. This was a maple that I used to carry around in my wallet, and it got to such a nice colour. I didn't want it going any more brown. I like the fact it's got blues and purples on it. So I took it out of my wallet and I put it in the capsule and I put it away in the deep stack. It's still hard to appreciate in artificial light. It's really got to be shown in daylight to appreciate how gorgeous that looks. But yeah, I literally just put it in a leather wallet, brand new leather wallet, for a couple of weeks, and that's how it turned out. But yeah, lots of different designs in here. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Like I said, let me know how you want to see these coins. 10 at a time, 5 at a time, 1 at a time. You decide. As always, thanks for all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.